How to stop ghost touch on iPhone. Here's how to fix it. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone and tap on Accessibility. Then select Touch and tap on Touch Accommodations. Turn on Touch Accommodations. Next, enable Ignore Repeat. This setting helps prevent multiple accidental taps from being registered when you only intended to tap once. You can also adjust the time interval to suit your preference. If you're still experiencing accidental touches, you can enable Hold Duration and set a short delay. This requires you to touch the screen briefly before the tap is recognized, which may reduce unintended inputs. Next, remove your screen protector or phone case if they're damaged or pressing against the display. Dirt, moisture, or an incompatible screen protector can also cause touch issues, so clean the screen with a soft microfiber cloth. Finally, restart your iPhone and make sure it's updated to the latest version of iOS by going to Main Settings page. Then tap on General. Tap on Software Update. If ghost touch continues after trying these steps, the problem may be caused by a hardware issue, such as a damaged display, and you may need to contact Apple support or visit an authorized service center. That's it. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more iPhone tips and troubleshooting guides.